Hi and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram for more interesting tips and tutorials. After we moved to the new house, so my plan is to put here more shelves that I can arrange everything what I have here and make it in a better way. Table from IKEA. And here I'm planning to put as well shelves from IKEA. When I will have them, you will see later in this video. So as you can see, I have a mess here. I will need to arrange it everything and find places for each box. I can show you a bit of how I store my seed beads for my projects. I have this kind of tubes. I will leave link below this video so you can find these tubes as well. For me it's very easy to store them like this, as when I start my project I just take all my tubes what I need. For example, I'm planning to make them in green, I don't know, maybe red and yellow, so I just can check straight away what kind of red I have, yellow and green, or purple. And from there I just take these tubes and then I put them here. Are some colors for my future project what I'm planning to do. Then I have this kind, you see everything is not in the place yet, but I will arrange it. So here I have some more threads. I already bought some more nice colors of the threads because I will make a beautiful project soon. Still packed things, but mostly my crystals and everything are packed in these kind of boxes. I'm very happy that my crystals came all safe. You can see how I store some of my crystals as well. This is just a plastic box, like a toolbox. You can buy it in any tool shop. Here I have another box as well, organizer, and another portion of my precious materials, freshwater pearls. I put them in these kind of boxes as well. This place for jewelry, it's still empty, but soon there will be some jewelry because I'm planning here glass shelves where I can put my ready jewelry. And then we'll see what we will have in the end of this video. And here is my new studio.